Hello and welcome to Amjad Academy. In a continuation with our reagent series, today I am here with a new topic what is called Swan oxidation. So in this reaction we are going to react DMSO and oxalyl chloride. These both will react together and will result in the formation of chlorosulfonium ion. So here is the structure of chlorosulfonium ion, CH3 and CH3. Now this will react with our alcohol and will result in the formation of carbonyl compound. So here we are going to see this reaction. Here I have general representation of alcohol which will go on react with this oxalyl chloride and DMSO and will result in the formation of carbonyl compound. Now here we are using the base for quenching of the reaction. Now as we are using the base, so what the base will do, it will slightly increase the temperature of the reaction. So to maintain the temperature of the reaction we have to use below 0 degree temperature. Okay, so in the next step I am going to show you the mechanism of this reaction. So for the mechanism of this reaction we are going to react DMSO first with oxalyl chloride. So here we have DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxime, dimethyl sulfoxime, dimethyl sulfoxime. It will react with our oxalyl chloride. Okay, now what will happen? अब यहाँ पर क्या होगा, ये सल्फर ऑक्सीजन के जो बॉन्ड पेयर के इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये ऑक्सीजन यहाँ से लेकर इसके ऊपर अटैक करेगा. दिस ऑक्सीजन विद इट्स बॉन्ड पेयर इलेक्ट्रॉन विल अटैक ऑन दिस कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड, carbonyl carbon, and this carbon oxygen bond electron will shift over the oxygen and the resulting structure will be like this. It will be as it is, and here we have O and then one O negative, another chloride ion, this carbonyl carbon and chlorine as it is. Now this O negative will turn again over here and it will result in the leaving of this chloride ion. Okay, so I have to write minus chloride ion and the resulting structure will be sulfur, this carbonyl carbon, C double bond O and chlorine, and the structure methyl. Okay, अब यहाँ पर एक जंगल की कहावत याद आती है कि जब शेर 2 कदम पीछे हटता है तो डर के नहीं झपटने के लिए. अब ये शेर 2 कदम पीछे हटाता है यहाँ पर, अब यहाँ पर झपटने के लिए वापिस आता है क्लोराइड आयन. इट विल कम अगेन एंड विल अटैक ऑन दी सल्फर. अब यहाँ पर एक बड़ी चीज छूट गई मुझसे, वो ये है कि जब ये बॉन्ड पेयर के इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज होंगे, यहाँ पर यूटिलाइज होंगे, दिस सल्फर विल गेट पॉजिटिव चार्ज. ओके, so this sulfur it has a positive charge. This chloride ion will attack on this sulfur and this sulfur oxygen bond electron will shift over here and this carbon carbon bond electron will shift over this carbon and will result in the leaving of this chloride ion. So here I have sulfur with the positive in charge. अगेन इसके ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज क्यों आया? क्योंकि यहाँ जो ये बॉन्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन थे वो इधर शिफ्ट हो गए. नाउ here we have methyl and CO2, CO and chloride ion. Okay, so what is this? It is our chlorosulfonium ion, main picture of our hero, main hero of our picture. Now here I have general representation of alcohol, R dash. It will going to react with our chlorosulfonium ion. Methyl positive charge. This oxygen with its lone pair will attack on this sulfur and this chloride ion will get leave from this structure, will get removed. I have to write minus Cl ion here. Here I have O with its hydrogen and then sulfur and then 2 methyl group. Okay, this sulfur will have positive charge because this chloride ion get removed from the structure with its electron. So here R dash, this oxygen it is in a positive charge, this chloride ion will come, will abstract this hydrogen, and this bond electron will shift over here. So here I have the remaining structure R dash, and then oxygen, then sulfur, and CH3 CH2H over here. So now why I have written it like this, because in the next step I am going to react this with our base triethylamine. Now it will come and will abstract this hydrogen. This carbon hydrogen bond electron will shift over here. अब यहाँ पर देखिए why it is abstracting this hydrogen, why not this hydrogen? Because this sulfur, it is in a positive charge, so this carbon ion will form a stable structure with by resonating with sulfur. So here we have one resonating structure, but if you take one hydrogen from here, so it will have negative charge. Now it will not go with the resonance with anyone. So here we have the chloride with the carbon ion, which will go in a resonance with this sulfur and will make a stable compound, what is called ylide. So the formation of ylide will take place over here. We have R dash, and this oxygen, this sulfur, this CH3 as it is, and another one CH2 negative, and this sulfur positive. It is called ylide, sulfur ylide. Now in the next step I am going to utilize this ylide. So here I have R dash, this oxygen, and then sulfur, CH3 positive in charge, and here we have CH2 negative. Now look at here, this hydrogen, this carbon and carbon will attack on this hydrogen, and this carbon hydrogen bond electron will shift over here. Now look at here, this bond electron will go towards sulfur to make it neutral, and here we will have R dash R, our carbonyl compound, and what is this? DMS, dimethyl sulfide, and carbonyl compound. If this R dash is H, so the resulting carbonyl compound is our an aldehyde. If it is alkyl group, so it will be our ketone. So what is this? It is our mechanism of Swan oxidation. In my next video I will come with the examples based on this Swan oxidation from the book of Philidin, from the book of Zoefield, from the book of Carather. So till then, keep watching my channel, do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my new video, which will come on the examples of this Swan oxidation. So very soon I am going to upload it. Thank you for coming on Amjad Academy.